Today's video reveals a little-known, powerful ally in your kitchen that's been silently waiting to fight muscle loss, fuel your strength, and even reverse signs of aging from the inside out. We're talking about a fruit so rich in healing compounds that researchers are now calling it nature's muscle medicine. What is it? Why is it so effective for people over 60? And how can it be your secret weapon against sarcopenia, the silent muscle-wasting enemy of aging? Stick around, because by the end, you'll learn not only what this fruit is, but exactly how to use it to nourish your muscles, protect your joints, and age with the power and confidence you deserve. The hidden danger. After 60, sarcopenia as we age, something silent and dangerous begins to happen inside our bodies. Muscle doesn't just get weaker, it disappears. This condition, called sarcopenia, affects over 10% of people over 60 and nearly half of people over 80. What's worse, most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. You feel more tired climbing stairs. Lifting groceries becomes harder. You start avoiding certain movements, not because you want to, but because your body won't cooperate. This isn't just about strength, it's about freedom. Muscle loss increases your risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. But here's the twist. It's not inevitable. You can fight back, and today's fruit may be your first line of defense. Meet the hero, the simple, powerful power of the prune. Yes, the prune. Often overlooked or laughed off as old people's food, prunes are quietly emerging as one of the most nutrient-dense, muscle-protecting, anti-aging foods available today. Behind that wrinkled exterior lies a surprising secret. Prunes are rich in polyphenols, boron, potassium, vitamin K, and fiber. A potent combination that nourishes muscle, strengthens bones, and fights inflammation. Let's break this down. 1. Boron, the underrated muscle mineral. Prunes are one of the best natural sources of boron, a trace mineral with major effects on muscle and bone health. Boron helps the body produce and regulate testosterone and estrogen, two hormones essential for maintaining muscle mass in both men and women, especially after 60 when natural levels begin to drop. Studies show that older adults who consume enough boron retain more lean muscle tissue, experience fewer fractures, and even show improved cognitive sharpness. Just 3-5 prunes a day can give you a safe, effective dose of boron to help your body hold on to precious strength. 2. Polyphenols, your anti-inflammatory allies. Muscle loss doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's often accelerated by chronic low-grade inflammation, sometimes called inflammaging. The polyphenols in prunes are natural antioxidants that calm this inflammation at the cellular level. These compounds protect muscle fibers from oxidative damage and even improve muscle recovery after light exercise or walking. Think of polyphenols as microscopic firefighters, rushing into your cells, cooling the flames, and allowing muscle growth to return. 3. Potassium and vitamin K, the muscle-bone connection. You may not realize it, but bones and muscles are deeply connected. As muscle mass declines, bone density often follows, creating a dangerous combination. Prunes are packed with potassium, which helps regulate nerve signals and maintains the balance of muscle contractions. No more shaky hands or unpredictable knees. At the same time, vitamin K improves calcium absorption and strengthens bones, making prunes a double agent for fighting both sarcopenia and osteoporosis. In fact, one study from Florida State University showed that postmenopausal women who ate 5 to 6 prunes daily for 6 months had significantly improved bone density compared to those who didn't. Imagine what that can do when paired with regular movement. 4. Muscle-friendly fiber that feeds your gut. Here's something most people overlook. Your gut health directly affects your muscles. Why? Because your gut bacteria influence nutrient absorption, inflammation, and hormone production, 3 pillars of muscle maintenance. Prunes are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut means better digestion, better energy, and stronger muscles from the inside out. The prune protocol. How to add this fruit to your day. So how do you start? Start small. Begin with 2-3 prunes per day. They're naturally sweet and easy to digest. Timing matters. Eat them with breakfast or after light exercise to fuel recovery. Hydrate. Prunes have fiber, so drink enough water to aid digestion. Upgrade snacks. Replace cookies or crackers with 4 to 5 prunes and a handful of almonds for a muscle-supporting anti-inflammatory combo. Blend it in. Add chopped prunes to oatmeal, smoothies, or even stews and sauces for a subtle sweetness with major health benefits. One warning: prunes are high in natural sugars, so moderation is key. You don't need a handful every hour. Just a few a day can transform your strength, energy, and resilience. Supporting science you can trust. You may be wondering, is this just another trendy superfood? Far from it. In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2011, researchers found that regular prune consumption significantly reduced markers of bone breakdown and improved bone formation, a key signal that muscles were also benefiting. Another 2022 randomized control trial followed a group of older adults over 12 months. Those who added just 5 to 6 prunes per day showed greater grip strength, balance, and walking speed compared to those who didn't. This isn't magic. It's the power of nutrition, simple, natural, and surprisingly overlooked. Other unexpected benefits of prunes. After 60, muscle strength isn't the only benefit. Adding prunes to your daily routine may also help. Improve digestion and regularity. No more bloating or constipation. Support heart health, thanks to potassium and antioxidants. Stabilize blood sugar. Despite their sweetness, prunes have a low glycemic index. Boost cognitive clarity. Studies suggest boron helps sharpen focus and memory. Reduce joint pain. Anti-inflammatory compounds soothe aging joints and reduce stiffness. When you nourish your muscles, you nourish your entire body, and this simple fruit helps you do just that naturally. Combine with movement, the winning combo. Of course, no food works alone. To unlock the full power of prunes, pair them with gentle resistance exercises, walking, or even yoga. Moving your body tells your muscles, we still need you. Prunes give your body the building blocks, and movement gives it the signal to rebuild. Together, they form a quiet revolution in aging, one that begins not in a hospital or a gym, but right in your kitchen. Don't underestimate the power of something small. Prunes may look ordinary, but for your muscles, bones, and energy, they can be extraordinary. Start today with just a few, and your future self will thank you for every step, lift, and moment of strength regained. For more age-defying tips rooted in real science and timeless wisdom, subscribe to Elderly Wisdom Quotes. Like this video and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite natural remedy for staying strong? And remember, aging is inevitable, but weakness is optional.